Hey guys, welcome back to Shukorina by Habi. This is an English talkover. If you're looking for the Tigrinya talkover, this is not the video. Click down below to get to the other video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Today I'm going to be showing you guys a simple and easy DIY to clean your brushes, and it's a cleanser and it's super easy. And I know we all dread cleaning our brushes, but it has to get done, and I'm going to show you guys an easy way to do it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new, and be welcome to the family. And if you're an existing subscriber, you guys know what to do. Keep liking and sharing. Let's get into the video. Okay, to start, we're going to need 1 cup purified water. You guys do not want to use tap water because tap water has all this junk in it, and you don't need that in your cleanser. So tap water or distilled water, 1 cup of it. Alright, so the next ingredients that we're going to use is 1/4 cup rubbing alcohol. Mine's apparently is a green color, but it doesn't have to be green, you guys. You can get any color you want. Just make sure it's a rubbing alcohol, and you can get them from a local pharmacy. The next ingredients we're going to use is 1 tablespoon of hair shampoo. I'm actually going to be using Alba Botanica coconut milk shampoo, but you guys can use any hair shampoo that you got. Mine's is like sulfate free, but if you guys want to use a sulfate free one or a sulfate one, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure that it's hair shampoo. Alright, the next ingredients we're going to use is 1 tablespoon of antibacterial dishwashing soap. Yes, I said it. Dishwashing soap, but we're gonna need an antibacterial one because we want to make sure we kill all these bacteria and don't form any bacteria in our cleanser. So 1 tablespoon of that, and you guys can use any brand you want, just make sure that it's antibacterial. Alright, once we got all of the ingredients in our bowl, we're going to mix it. Make sure you mix it really well, just so that everything can combine together and just become this lovely cleanser. Alright, so you guys can store the rest of this cleanser into a plastic jar or a glass jar. Whatever jar that you have, you can place it back in there so you can use it over and over again. Alright, so once you finish mixing everything, you are going to get your dirty brushes, and I'm actually going to be showing you guys with my e.l.f. powder brush. I think this is my powder brush. And if you guys have one of these little brush cleanser, I don't even know what they're called, but I got mine from Amazon. And if you guys have one of those, perfect. If you guys don't, you guys can always use your hands to rub and like basically rub the stuff off. But what you're gonna do is you guys are going to be like scrubbing that brush, not like super hard, but you're gonna be scrubbing it. Make sure you get all of the junk and the oil and the dead skin and all that nasty bacteria and germs out of that brush. Scrub away. Just keep on scrubbing. And what I love about this is you see how like foamy it gets. So I just love that. I just love that about it. Alright, so once you guys get done scrubbing, you guys, like I said, you guys can use your fingers, like your hands for it. You're going to go and rinse all of the soap off the brush. And as you can see, it like comes off really like easy. And after, all you're going to do is get a towel, and I'm using a microfiber towel, and just pat it dry, and look, bam. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It is all clean. Look at that. Just it looks like I just bought it. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the same thing with your beauty blenders. And it's a must to clean your beauty blenders. Like, you don't understand how much junk and foundation gets stuck in our beauty blenders. Imagine if we continue to use a beauty blender that wasn't properly cleaned, and how much bacteria and germs get on our face. Ew, don't even want to think of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it in any type of plastic or glass jar that you want. You're going to pour a little bit of, okay, that wasn't a little bit, but you're going to pour a little bit of the soap into that cup, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this in the microwave. Yes, you guys, we're going to cook this bad boy real quick. Hey, okay, so what you guys are going to do is you're going to put it in the microwave, and it's going to be in the microwave for about, I put it for 12 seconds, so 12 seconds. And once it's like done with 12 seconds, you're going to just let it soak a little bit. I let mine soak for like 5 to 10 minutes, and once it's done being soaked, you guys are going to rinse that bad boy and make it all clean. Oh, but be very cautious to let it cool down a little bit, because sometimes it can get really hot and sometimes it can get really warm. You don't want to burn yourself, so make sure it cools down. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into your sink and put your faucet on and start basically let the water kind of like suck it in. After, what you're gonna do is just like squeeze it. Just keep squeezing it and make sure all of the junk that was inside of that sponge comes off. So I can't stress this enough. It's very important for you to clean your brushes and your beauty blender. For the people who are new, you guys don't know that I am a skincare specialist. I'm an esthetician, and I tell my clients all the time that some of the reasons why we break out is because of the fact that we don't properly clean our brushes and our beauty blenders. And a lot of that bacteria that forms and a lot of that germs that form onto our makeup utensils are a lot of the reasons why we break out and have acne and pimples. So you want to make sure that whenever you are done using your makeup and you're finished applying your makeup, to definitely clean your brushes. Sometimes like we don't have time to do them and we can't do a deep clean like this. You guys can watch my video that I posted just recently. I just posted a spray that you guys can do, and that spray is like instant clean and instant disinfecting. So if you guys don't have time to do a deep clean like this, you guys can definitely use that spray. So look guys, look how clean it just looks, like a brand new beauty blender. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. So yeah, so after you get done, you're gonna basically soak everything out of it, and then you're done and you let it dry and you can use it whenever you're ready. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna start doing more English talkovers because I'm getting a lot of requests for them, and I know I do this in my native language, which is Tigrinya, but a lot of you guys are asking me to do it in English, so I will be doing more English videos. And I'll try to mix my English and Tigrinya in one video sometimes, because it's kind of hard to do 2 videos sometimes for me. But I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I am on Instagram. Definitely go and follow me on there. I'm active all the time. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be welcome to the Shakorina family. All right, guys, I'll see you guys soon.